Open na ang Sukiya sa SM Mega Mall. We've been waiting for this kasi super easy lang sa amin pumunta ng SM Mega Mall. Nasa third floor lang siya, Building B, katabi ng KFC. Same na same lang din siya, meron ding free cold black tea. And sobrang daming tao din dito tuwing lunchtime. Buti na lang around 11 AM kami dumating. Ang gusto ko sa Sukiya, ang daming choices ng gyudon. If you're adventurous sa food, merong gyudon with fried mustard leaves, kimchi gyudon, fiery garlic gyudon, and many more. Yung sizes ng gyudon bowls nila is up to extra large. So, depende na lang sa inyo yon. For us, medium size, busog na kami. My son's favorite here is the basic gyudon with soft-boiled egg. Favorite niya yung ganitong klase ng luto ng egg kasi nagiging creamy and rich daw yung dish. Ang daddy naman, super hilig pag maraming spring onions. Nakakagana daw kasi kumain. This comes with a soft-boiled egg too. Kaming dalawa naman ng daughter ko, cheese lovers kami, kaya we always order the gyudon with cheese. We also like Sukiya kasi sobrang nipis din ng gyudon nila. Consistent na malambot and yung in-order namin is oozing with cheese. For me, yung lasa ng gyudon sauce nila is savory na may konting asim. Kaming family, iba-iba kami ng opinion kung ano yung best gyudon for us. Pero lahat naman kami nasasarapan sa Sukiya kaya madalas kami bumalik dito. Kayo ba guys, have you tried Sukiya?